There's the birthday boy, Big 3. What is that, buddy?
It's a truck.
Yeah, the Jeep.
Yeah.
Is that cool, Drew?
Yeah.
Can you get up in there?
Can you?
Can you sit in there?
Get up in there.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool. You can sit in there, bud.
Jump up in there.
Hmm? Sit in there, Drew. It's your Jeep.
You can sit there with me, Daddy.
I wish I could, buddy, but
I don't think we can fit in there. You get in there, bud. Get in there.
They want to do when I get in there.
Well, we'll drive it later outside, but right now just sit in there and see if you like it. Oh my gosh, who's a big boy? Can you say thank you, Grandma, Papa?
Thank you, Grandma and Papa.